Think you know the secret to real estate investing? I'm about to show you the one that changed everything for me. My name is Travis Oglesby. I started investing in real estate in 2016. Since then, I've flipped well over 400 homes. I've built a single family portfolio that cash flows just north of $30,000 a month. And I do deals all across the Southeast, predominantly in Georgia. And here on this channel, I'm documenting my way to $50,000 in net cash flow. I have a simple, repeatable process, and I look forward to showing you exactly how we do it. I didn't just get into real estate to make money. I had a deeper reason. And if you're wired anything like me, this is going to hit home. So the question is, why did I get into real estate? So, and it's the same question for you guys. So my answer in 2016, which as of this video is almost 10 years later, was I didn't like my career and I didn't like my income. I was a medical rep. I had to deal with doctors, management that I didn't love, and sales meetings, sales calls, just all kinds of things that were not a good environment back then. There's many of things I could continue to go in deeper there, but just imagine all of that stuff not being a healthy or good environment to be in. My guess is you're in something similar, and that's probably why you're watching this or searching for another way. And so, what I want you guys to do, I want you to grab a yellow pad. I am a huge yellow pad guy. Where did mine fall off this or something? Sure did. And so I'm a huge yellow pad. This is actually how you put on the armor of God every day. But I am a yellow pad guy. So I want you guys to take one out. I don't care if it's white, it's back of a napkin, whatever. Take one of these out. And I want you guys to write down everything that you don't like about your life today. So I want you to, let's show you exactly what I want you to do. I want you to take a yellow pad and I want you to put a line right through the middle of that sucker, right? And on one side, on the left-hand side, I want you to write down everything you don't like about your life today. There can be 20 things, there can be 200 things. Does it matter? Write down everything you don't like about it on the left-hand side. Take your time, write down as many things as you need to. Okay. This honestly, it just feels good doing this. Then once you have everything on the left side, on the right side, I want you to write down how you wish that looked. So if on the left side is, I hate my job. On the right side, it would be, I love my job and I enjoy getting to commute to, or whatever it might be, right? I want them to be more detailed than that, but I think you get the point. And so you write down what you don't like and then what you wished it looked like. Like, I don't say you didn't love your marriage. I want to be in love with my spouse and let them know that through how I treat them. That would be on the right hand side, right? Do those two things. All right. Then label them 1 through however many you have. Okay. 1 through 200. Then skim those on the left. And what is the number one thing? That right there has a reason to do with your why. The thing on the left and the thing on the right, whichever one is number 1 or number 2. Those have the stuff that has to do with your why. Okay. Now here's what you're going to do next. You're going to take a new sheet of paper. All right. So what you guys just did there is you wrote down everything you didn't like and everything you wished it looked like. And then on the left, what is the number one thing that you don't like? And then on the right, what is the number one thing that you do like? Those both have to do with your why. Take both of those on a new sheet of paper and set a timer for 10 minutes and write down at the top of that piece of paper, why do I want to make $100,000? Why do I want to make $500,000? Why do I want to spend more time with my kids? Whatever it might be, write your why at the top of that. And it might just be, I want to make more money. Well, why do you want to make more money? It might just be, I don't want to work so much. Well, why don't you want to work so much? So many of the things that we don't want to do have to do everything with our why. And so, for instance, I want to make more money. Well, why? Like, you want to take your kids camping. Cool. I might not want to work so much. Well, why? Well, I want to take my kids camping. So many things can have to do with your why, and you will be surprised on where this lands and the clarity that it'll bring to your life. So your why will change. Mine sure has. Definitely doesn't have to sound fancy. Mine today is to, I really want to have times for the things that matters to me. And so I like to work out every day. I like to work on my craft every day, whether that is coaching or whether it's my real estate investment company. And then I want to work on my relationship with Jesus. Those are really the same things. It's almost like I'm a lab. Like I need to work out, I need to be fed and watered, and I need to have something that I'm pursuing. And all of those things I just listed to you encompass that. And I bet this hit home for some of you. So guys, don't just watch this doggone exercise. Do this exercise. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you guys have any questions, definitely drop them. Leave me a comment in here. I will respond to all of them. And guys, if you don't know Jesus or real estate, I suggest you get to know both.